machining the square slab of 100 by 100 or square block of 100 by 100 by 12 mm thickness. And here the machining thickness, the machining depth is up to 10 mm. So to do that, so first we will go for the master cam. Here first we will going to create. I'll go for a rectangle, click on this. So here we'll take up this point as 100. This is length of the position of the first corner. Select the position of the in corner, and we're going to take up the anchor of the center is at 0. So that 0 point will be 0, 0, 0. So now we will click on this. So here we'll go for a fit, so that we're going to get this rectangle or the square. Now we will take up the 10 mm on this side and also 10 mm on this side, and there is a fillet radius of 10 and there is a fillet radius of 10. So to do that, first we'll go for create X form, go to offset distance of 10 mm from on this side and also on this side. Okay, and then from here we have 10 mm and also from 10 mm on this side. So again 10 mm from this side and also 10 mm on this side. Then we have the chamfer. So go to chamfer entities. So the distance is 12 into 45. So we'll create 12 mm and 12 mm here. We take two distances, say 12, take 12 and select first line and second line. Then we have a fillet on this side. Go to fillet entities, the radius is 5, but here it is the radius is 10. So you take 10 mm radius, then go to this and this, similarly from this and this. Then we need to trim this, go to trim this till here and trim this till here. So this is the profile what we need to create. So once we complete the profile, you go to machine type, click on mill, click on default. Then go to click on double click on properties. So properties, click on stock setup. So click on select corners. Click on select corners. Click on the first corner of this entity. First corner, that is this point, and the second corner as this point. And then enter the value of Z as 12 mm because that is the depth which we need, the block what we have. You just select this. So this becomes the total raw material, and then click on tool paths. Click on 2D high speed. Click on right tick. Then click on select, click on chain. Select contour chain 1. Click on the top left corner of the profile, that is this one. Select contour 2. Click on the topmost left corner of the square, that is this. Click on right tick to clear the dialog box. Click on dynamic core mill. Dynamic core will appear. Select on dynamic core mill. Then click on linking parameters. enter the value of z. Enter the value of z, that is the depth, as minus 10, because that is the one which you need to depth. Then click on tool, click on select library tool, then select 5 bull in mill, read number 120, that is this one. Click on right tick to clear the dialog box. Click on right tick to clear the tool selection dialog box. Then click on right tick. Now the machining will take place and you will going to get the profile done. Then click on generate NC codes. So you click on G1, click on OK. So now I need to give the value 3. I will going to save this. So this will going to be the automatic generation of NC codes for that profile what it has been to be machined. So we're going to have up to, which is about 8095 lines which has been generated. Now for simulation, you just go to verify selected operations, then go to isometric, then you reduce the speed of the simulation by a certain extent, and then click on play. As you play, you can see this is the generation what it will going to take place, the simulation of this. So we have the outer one for a depth of about 10 mm. What it does, because that is the depth of this Z what you are going to get. So this is the end mill what it has been used to machine the profile. Now we have a fillet radius on this side and also on that side, and now we have a chamfer here, and this is the fillet radius. So this is how you will be able to program the profile of the component which has been given.